Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Shomo's Biology. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about tips and tricks to remember pituitary hormones. What are the pituitary hormones and what are their functions? That's what we're going to understand from this particular video. So let's start the timer because we're going to finish it really quick and fast. So what I'm going to share here is the list of a simple mnemonic, simple trick, a sentence that you need to remember and picturize it in your brain, and then you can easily answer that. So the first thing is this. This is what you need to understand. A pig which is flat lying in the ground. So that is a flat pig. This is the simplest way you can remember the pituitary hormones. That is flat pig. Okay. So flat pig is something. And why you mean by flat pig? Because you see all the capital letters are out there. They denote the name of the hormones. Okay. So let's begin. So F for follicle stimulating hormone. L for luteinizing hormone. A for adrenocorticotropic hormone or ACTH. T for thyroid stimulating hormone, and G for prolactin. Okay, so all this flat, FLAT, and P for prolactin. So all these hormones are actually very important hormones secreted by the pituitary gland, particularly the anterior pituitary gland, because from the posterior pituitary gland there is only the oxytocin and there is only ADH, antidiuretic hormone, which we'll discuss later. So here G for growth hormone or GH. So all these are listed. 6 different hormones: follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, prolactin, and growth hormone. Now this part is simple. Anyone can remember the name of the hormones that are secreted by the anterior pituitary gland, but it's quite difficult to even match the function of these hormones with their names. So what you can use here, we are going to use another mnemonic for that, and this is take food like oats and cornflakes in ox milk for growth. If you remember this particular line sentence and try to visualize it, that take food like oats and cornflakes in ox milk for growth. So you can imagine something like this. Okay, so we have milk, and in the milk we are adding the cornflakes, we are adding oats to it. Okay, healthy fiber diet, and this is the ox milk, not exactly cow milk but ox milk. So that's how you can remember and rearrange this sentence. So every single capital letter, this signifies the name and the function of these hormones. So remember, F for follicle stimulating hormone here, and follicle stimulating hormone goes with D, food D. Okay, stimulates follicle development. So food, F for follicle stimulating hormone, D for the development of follicle, because it says follicle stimulating. So just apply this knowledge. Stimulates follicle and to help it develop. Next one is food like, L for luteinizing hormone. Okay, luteinizing hormone. And luteinizing hormone like oats. So you got like oats, luteinizing hormone, oats. What is the job of O? Ovulation. Okay, and T for testosterone production in males. That's the job of luteinizing hormone. Okay, triggers ovulation and testosterone production in males. Next one, A, adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH, oats and cornflakes, right? So A, and, so it should be capital A there. A for and, adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH, so goes with cornflakes. Cornflakes, C, corn, COR, cortisol, COR. Okay, stimulates the production of cortisol in the adrenal cortex. That's the job of adrenocorticotropic hormone. Next, in ox milk. Okay, cornflakes in the ox milk. T for thyroid stimulating hormone. So remember how you can remember this: flat, FLAT, in that order, flat P, that order is maintained. So next is the thyroxine, thyroid stimulating hormone, and that is ox milk, ox, thyroxine. That's why you say ox, thyroxine. Okay, thyroxine stimulates the thyroid gland to produce that. So TSH stimulates the thyroid gland to produce thyroxine. Next come P, prolactin. We know flat P, prolactin. We have milk. It helps in milk production in the mammary glands. Okay, that is the job of prolactin. And last one, pig, G for growth hormone. What is the job of growth? Growth hormone's job is the growth and development in children and adolescents, and regulates the metabolism in adults. That's the job of growth hormones. So you can see not only the name flat pig, FLATPIG, flat pig, the name of the hormones, but along with that we associate them with the functions. So the first one, food, stimulates follicle development. Then comes luteinizing hormone, oats, ovulation, production of testosterone. Then comes the cortisol, the ACTH, cornflakes, cortisol, development of cortisol, release of cortisol. Okay, and then T for thyroid, goes with OX, thyroxine production, of stimulation of thyroid gland and thyroxine production. And milk for what? Milk production, prolactin. And G is the last one, growth hormone, helps in the growth of the child and adolescents, and also help in maintaining the metabolism in adults. So these are the functions. So for that you need to remember flat pig and take food like oats and cornflakes in ox milk for growth. Simple as that. That's how you can remember the hormones and their functions with tips with mnemonics. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. As well as, what you need to know is basically you can check all the videos regarding tips and mnemonics in this channel for faster and better understanding. Thank you. Bye.